Hello friends, welcome to the channel. In this video I am going to show how we can connect a camera with the PCB. This is the camera and this is the PCB. I am going to connect this camera on with the PCB. You can see same as the display, there are two holes at the end of this camera connector. At the two end there are holes, and on the board there are two white marks are made. At the end you can see a white mark at here and another white mark at here. So we must match this hole with the points on the board, and after matching it, we must apply iron on the tip of this every connector. So let's try it. First match the holes with the points on the board. After matching the holes with the board point, every tip of camera matched with the tip on the board, and then after we must solder it using iron. Don't solder all the connector at once. First solder first and last connectors, and then after first solder first, last and middle connectors, and then after apply solder iron on the throughout all the points. And you can see the camera connector is connected properly. This way you can connect a camera with the PCB board. So these are the method by which we can connect and disconnect connect different types of connectors with the PCB. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, subscribe the channel, share the video, and write if you have any queries. Post your questions in comment section. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.